Hello, everyone. Welcome to this session. So I know many of you are coming from outside of China. Welcome. And I know the weather is hot, but hope you all enjoyed your trip to Beijing so far. My name is ZHONG. I'm a product developer from SuperMap Cloud development team. So today I'll be presenting this session with the topic of SuperMap, GeoPortal, data fusion, rapid deployment, and scalable ecosystem. So I'm going to start off with a question, what is a GeoPortal? So there's a Wikipedia definition says that it is a web portal that helps you access geographic information and services. The core emphasis is to integrate different types of geospatial data sets and different geoservices within this one online platform. So these are some of the examples of the geoportals built by different government agencies, organizations, and institutions around the world. These portals serve as their centralized digital repository for sharing geospatial data and providing services to support public services like policy making and different purposes. Why this is so important? It's usually more than just an online map website. It helps government to share information, collaboration with their citizens or their target audience, and make data-driven decisions. And with that, we can promote economic activities and improve operational efficiency. So many governments consider this as their fundamental infrastructure for their digital transformation process. And it can really generate a lot of benefits that we just talked about. So to develop a GeoPortal, So to develop the GeoPortal, many components we need to consider, like the data, how to store them, how to manage the resources, how to visualize the data in meaningful ways, and how to allow collaboration, like user access control, the capability to allow customization, and it has to be a scalable system. So all these things need to be carefully designed and implemented. So it's not as a straightforward project as you might think it is. So for doing this, I want to introduce one of the product we've been developing, upgrading for over a decade. It's called the SuperMap iPortal. So we define this product as the unified portal platform for cloud GIS. It's designed for government institutions, organizations for either their internal or external environments that they want to build a GeoPortal like the one we just seen. So the iPortal product in our SuperMap product family, as you see, we categorize our products as cloud, edge, and terminal. So 3 lines of the GIS product. Basically, it depends on where they will be deployed. The SuperMap iPortal is our cloud GIS portal server. So it is one of the core products in our cloud product line. So this diagram kind of describes how this iPortal fits in our SuperMap Cloud GIS platform. So we have the iServer, which provides the capability to publish GeoService, and we have the iPortal serve as a consumer to these services and present the services to the user with a lot of the visualization formats like web maps, dashboards, statistic diagrams. So one thing I want to mention here is that the iPortal is capable of integrate all kinds of geoservices, like the OGC standard services. So if you don't even have the iServer, you have other service publishing server, that's totally fine. So the iPortal target scenario, this is actually based on many of the projects our client or we did with iPortal over the years. So we can do comprehensive GeoPortal, like a smart city portal. We can do sector-specific GeoPortal, no problem. We did many big data GeoPortals. with a client that has like big volume of the geodata, then we can analyze the data and display the result with different visualization options. We've been working pretty closely with the agencies, institutions, and a lot of users. So the iPortal has become a very versatile product that can provide solution to all different scenarios. So these are some of the highlights of the iPortal. So it's a very powerful website builder that you can customize your web pages and quickly build your GeoPortal website. It's capable of integrating, managing all kinds of geo resources at this one platform. We provide a number of ready-to-use web apps that our client can quickly design, develop, and deploy their GeoPortal system. We also offer a very capable user management and collaboration system that support your portals like authentication, resource sharing, and many other functionalities. So besides this, not only does it has this capability we talk about, but it also highly customizable and extendable. So I'm gonna go through the details of these highlights in a few slides. The very first highlight of the iPortal is that it's a very powerful website builder. Starting with the theme, you can customize the theme, the style. You can design the web page with drag and drop. So we call it what you see is what you get. For each part of the page, we have number of the web components available to select from. You don't need to even have any coding knowledge to build your GeoPortal. We also support different configuration options to set up your navigation, your thumbnail, and a bunch of other settings. So for each web component, we also have many customization options. The recent version we released, we add more settings, not just the style, the content, but also the action. Like after you do certain things on the component, like if you click the button, whether you want to do a pop-up or you want to jump to another page, it's all configurable through the setting of the component. And alternatively, you can, so we are completely open to full code customization. You can completely override the source code and make your own GeoPortal pages with the front end libraries you might choose, like Vue, React. I think some of the clients like jQuery, that's all supported, no problem. Then we talk about the second capability of the iPortal is that it can integrate and manage different types of the geo services and resources. So in the iPortal, it has a resource center that we can register different data, either from file, like in different file formats or stored in database. We support a good number of different type of database. Then we can also integrate geo services and other resources like third-party application dashboard. These can be all managed in this iPortal resource center. So this table shows the file format and the databases that we support. Includes all the common GIS format, vector tiles, databases. These are the services we support. You can see that if you have SuperMap iServer, you publish either map service, data service. They can be seamlessly imported into the portal. And besides the SuperMap services, we support the OGC standard geo services like WMS, WMTS. And on top of that, we can also import ArcGIS services like their map service and data service. We recently just added their vector tile service as well. So once we have the resource service, the data in the platform, we provide many ways to manage them, organize them, and search them. So we can search them by keywords, by specified geographical regions, and also we can filter the items by different criteria. And we can tag the resource, categorize the items, or set a bookmark. They can be filtered by these customized attributes. So now I want to introduce one of the core highlights of the iPortal, which is we have many ready-to-use web apps we offer with the platform. So our platform comes with 8 built-in apps, web apps, each designed for different user groups to meet their different demands. So these apps cover all 3 main stages of a common workflow. From the data management, we can integrate different data and services. We talk about that. And then the processing and analyzing these resources with our GIS capability within some of the web apps. And finally, we can give a visualization or other types of the output format. Our web apps covers the entire workflow. So we really trying to facilitate our users' operation. So because of the time, I can only introduce some of our web apps. And the first one I want to show you is called the Map Studio. This one is a very powerful and versatile mapping utility. So as the name suggests, it really allows you to make all kinds of maps from your geospatial data. Within the app, you can do data editing, data analysis, and mapping with different style. We recently added the AI-assisted mapping, which allow you to make map with human natural language. We provide a number of built-in layer templates for different type of data, and with all kinds of visualization options. So we support multiple base maps, including the OpenStreetMap, Google Map, Bing Map as our base map. So for map layer style, we support many 2D, 3D, and animated visualization effects. Some of them look really nice. And then besides what we talk about, I do want to show you the new feature we add into the app, which is the AI assistant mapping. So the traditional way of making a map, there are many settings need to be understood, and each one for different types of map. So there's definitely a learning curve for beginners. So with the AI assisted mapping, it makes the process a lot easier. So this is the user interface. The user enter a prompt as the request to make a map. Then we can make adjustment. We can reset the AI effects. Then we can ask the AI to redo it if you really don't like the style or anything. We can always switch back to the conventional way of making maps by this toggle button at the top. So we with the AI assisted mapping, we can just give a introductions. Then this one, we give the agent a series of commands to make an earthquake map. The use of then use the points and attributes to output the map as a heat map. The AI was able to follow the command and do it step by step. So we can always stop at certain point and reverse the action that AI has taken. The other web map, the web app I want to quickly show you is the Map Dashboard, which is the web app that helps you to create large screen dashboard display with your geospatial data. So this app is provided as a dashboard builder, so our user can create this nice looking dashboards and display them for different purposes, either monitoring or showcase. And within the app, again, we offer many of the ready-to-use templates for specific industries or scenarios, such as smart city, healthcare, transportation, environment. And all these templates are optimized for wide screens or multi-panel display screens to present a nice visualization of your geospatial data. And of course, we have all kinds of dashboard components, and you can drag and drop to make your dashboard. And all of these components are customizable. So the last app I want to talk about is the AI assistant. This is the one that we recently added. The app allows you to interact with the portal through human nature language, and it can interpret task instruction and autonomously use the JS2 to complete a series of operations. It's okay. So this is, I'm just going to talk about it. We're supposed to play this video. This is a typical use case of the AI assistant. We want to give it a prompt, then the prompt we're going to give is in Chinese, but if you use English or any other languages, as long as the large language model behind the system supports it, it should work just fine. And we do support use the local model, or you just want to use the online model like DeepSeek, ChatGPT, or whatever ones you like. That's totally okay. So for this video, basically, it's asking the agent to make a map based on house pricing field over data set, and the AI agent just did that for you. I actually have another video which we asked the agent to extract some of the land features from remote sensing imagery data, the water, farmland, forest, and put these features on the map. And the agent was able to perform a series of tasks, and it worked really well. Unfortunately, the video is not working, but yeah, let's move forward. So lastly, I want to quickly show you our user management and collaboration system. It's a very important module, and it's also considered one of our product highlight as well. So our user management model organizes the user with different levels, and the resources can be isolated. For sharing, the user can share their resources with different scopes. We try to provide the flexibility that the user can customize the people they want to give access to their resource. We also have an access request workflow that if a user wants to see certain data, they can request, and the resource owner or the administrator can grant access to that request the resources. And on top of that, the resource can be export or import into the system easily. So even we already provide very powerful functionalities in the iPortal product. So including all the built-in modules, the web apps, there are always people want to ultimate flexibility. So for these, for these user, we also for the user, they have a strong software developing capability and want to program their website, their GeoPortal on their own. So we're completely okay with that. And we offer another product called iClient to help with this group of people. So iClient is a JavaScript library that you can do pretty much everything you see with the iPortal. With the iClient, you have the freedom to implement a web application with your geo data source with the help of tons of our established GIS capability and visualization options. Many of them are offered as a web GIS component. So our website, SuperMap website, has very detailed documentations and examples to help you use it. These are just some of the sample web maps that you can achieve with iClient and iPortal. So I'm going to show you some of the domestic and international use case with our product. So I think some of the speakers before me already show some of the use of the iPortal in their system, but we have a lot of the use cases. This is a city's all-in-one map system. They integrate many data sources and services, and our products serve as their foundation of of this project. This is the big data system we did for a city district, manage their data from many different places, then visualize them on a map. I think this is the same project. Then we did many sector portals. We did a lot of these, the oil field, natural resources management, a smart city system. We did many of those too. And we have a lot of international use cases too. This one is in Malaysia and used our system to build their portal. And another international use case is an oil field management system that use our product in Africa. This one is a project done by our Latin American partner in Chile. They implement a system with our AI capability to try to identify the new constructions, unauthorized constructions can be detected, and so the authorities can take actions quickly. So, okay, so this concludes my presentation. So hopefully you all have some takeaways about our iPortal product. And if you have any questions or you want to know more about it, so feel free to talk to us later. We are very happy to help you. Thank you very much.